Oh yeah. Springtime means grill time. Woo yeah. Hey everyone, welcome back to Baum Grillin'z. Oh yeah, it is beautiful out here. It is springtime, the sun's out, you got the flowers popping up everywhere, the birds are chirping. It is a beautiful, happy time. But I know all the stuff that's been going on in the world right now, it's been a little bit of a downer. I know that for sure. So I figure with this video, we can just kind of bring things up a little bit better and do a little bit of a giveaway. That way I can bring a little bit of brightness and joy to one of you subscribers out there. I'm super excited to do this for you guys. Let's go get some stuff. All right, we'll see what we can find in here. Yeah. All types of barbecue accessories in here. Okay, so we got all our stuff. I just gotta remember where I put it. Hey, not down there. Over here. What? Yeah, over here. That's weird. It's in here. It's inside me. It's inside you? Yes. Hurry up. All right. There it is. All right. Thank you, Mr. Weber. You're awesome. Okay, so we've got some great grill cleaner with a brush. We'll be giving that away. We've got a instant read thermometer. We'll be giving that away. And then we've also got the iGrill Mini. And we will be giving that away as well. All right. Close you up there, buddy. How you doing? Long time no see. Well, yeah. When was the last time you used me? Ouch. Oh. Ow. Low blow, bud. Oh, yeah. All right, well, why don't you just tell them how they can enter the giveaway? Okay, so for the first thing you got to do is you got to make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, of course. Make sure you hit that notification bell and then leave a comment down below about, I don't know, what's something that you like about Baum Grillin'z or something that you like about barbecue or how weird this video is. I don't know. Just leave something down there so that we can do a random drawing and we will pick one of you guys in a couple of weeks. Sounds about right, right? Okay, yeah. All right, good luck, you guys. That's awesome. Ooh. All right, you guys, there you have it. You heard it from the kettle himself. Now, this isn't a sponsored video. I went out and bought all of this stuff just to give away to you guys. So this is out of my own pocket. So I just want to make that clear. So I'm excited. I want to give this away to one of you lucky subscribers. And I'll probably let this run for about 2 weeks. And then we'll just do a random drawing through the comments section down there. As we sit right now, we're around 8,500 subscribers. I really want to make the push to get to 10. So whatever you guys can do to help that out, let's get to 10,000 subscribers. That is awesome, guys. Share the video. Share some of your favorite Baum Grilling videos. That way you can just kind of get the word out there and share it. And so I can keep doing what we're doing here. You guys are a huge help, a huge support. And I just want to keep this ball rolling. Just keep making videos. As long as you guys enjoy it, I'm going to be here. All right, good luck, and I will see you in the next couple weeks when we figure out who wins this, and I'll get it all shipped out to you. Put it to good use. I know you will. All right, happy Grillin'z, everyone. Baum Grillin'z out. Ooh, oh yeah.